Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick one and I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken stock for fried rice. To make the chicken stock, you need onions, green bell peppers, jalapenos or scotch bonnets if you don't have that, garlic, some ginger and some green onions. Because I didn't have enough ginger, I decided to use the ginger paste. So I'm just going to put everything in a blender with a little bit of water and just blend everything till it's a paste. Then I'll be pouring it over my chicken, then adding the rest of the dry seasoning. So I'm going to be adding some curry powder, some thyme, some adobo, Goya seasoning, and some knorr. You all know that I like to mix my all-purpose seasoning. Then I'll be mixing everything together. I like to let my chicken just sit for a couple of hours in that marinade because the chicken doesn't take long to get ready, so you want to be able to infuse the maximum amount of flavor. After that, I'll just boil it and our chicken stock, aka liquid gold, is ready. Till next time, bye!